Good morning, class. We are still at Unit 8, Time to Spare. So, for today, our focus is grammar, modals, and semi-modals. We'll be looking at modal verbs, and our lesson objectives are as below. Able to identify the functions of modals. Once our discussion has ended, you should be able to identify the functions of modals. Able to fill in the blanks with the correct modals, able to give advice and suggestion using the modals learned. So, what are modals? Modals are not the ramp walk models that you see on television or in the magazines. These are modals which actually helps to add meaning to the main verb, which is the action verb. So, they are called special verbs. Helps to indicate modality, adds precise meaning to the main verb. It actually adds, memberikan maklumat tambahan kepada apa yang kamu nak sampaikan. Okay? Dan juga it express the speaker's intention. Apa sebenarnya intensi? Okay, apa sebenarnya orang yang bercakap tu nak sampaikan? Adakah dia nak sampaikan sesuatu kemungkinan, sesuatu benda akan berlaku, kepastian, atau kesanggupan dia? Apa yang dia nak sampaikan? Atau dia hanya memberikan nasihat dan cadangan? So, what is the speaker is trying to express? These are the functions of the modal. Modal actually tells you the intention, the underlying meaning of a speaker. Okay? So, these are the examples of modals. Can, could, might, must, may, should, able to, ought to. So, yang ni semua kita panggil modal verbs. Selepas modal verbs, we will have the main verb, which is an action verb. So, this action verb must be in the base form, kata dasar. Tak boleh ada S, tak boleh ED, tak boleh ING. Okay? So, can, could, might, must, may, should, able to, ought to. Yang ni semua kita gunakan untuk menunjukkan kepastian kita, kebolehan kita. Ataupun apabila kamu nak berikan cadangan atau apabila kamu nak berikan nasihat, kita gunakan benda ni. Contohnya, katakan kamu cakap, he talks. He talks. Tak ada apa. Okay, kamu tak tahu. Kamu hanya tahu dia bercakap. Okay, tetapi bila teacher tambah, he can talk. Maksud dia akan bertukar. Jadi, dia boleh bercakap. Katakan teacher tambah. Kita tak nak guna can. Teacher tulis should. So, he should talk. Dia mesti cakap. So, yang tu pula bertukar jadi suggestion or advice. Kalau teacher cakap, he might talk. Dia mungkin bercakap. So, might di sini adalah mungkin. So, nampak tak? Modal tu sebenarnya boleh menukar maksud. Boleh menukar maksud sesuatu ayat. Functions of modals. There are 5 functions that we are going to look at today. Look for today. And they are ability, advice, suggestions, possibility, and certainty. Ability, kebolehan. Advice, nasihat. Suggestion, cadangan. Possibility, kemungkinan. Certainty, pasti. Pasti, kepastian. Okay. So now, these are the sentences that use modal verbs. So we will try to match them with these functions first. Harry could be in the library. Could be. Could be. So could. It shows. What does it show? It shows possibility. It shows possibility. Might. We might go to the cinema today. Mungkin akan pergi. Again, it shows possibility. You must be tired. Mesti letih. Mesti. Certainty. Okay. Mesti adalah certainty. Next. My granddad can speak 7 languages. Boleh bercakap. Can. Menunjukkan ability. Ability. Francis was able to go to mountain climbing at the weekend. Boleh pergi. So again, ni menunjukkan ability. You should eat more vegetables. You should eat more vegetables. Should. It is advice or suggestion. Advice pun boleh, suggestion pun boleh. And then, you ought to make an appointment. Ought to is another modal verb. So this one is suggestion or advice also. Okay. You can refer to page 99. There are more sentences over there. You can read them and try to understand further. Okay. So for today, we are just going to look at these 5 functions. And later, after this, we are going to fill in the blanks. So before you fill in the blanks for this activity, what you have to do is first identify the modal verb. And then you should also remember that, okay, if it's could, might, then it is possibility. Must is for certainty. Can, able is for ability. Should, ought to is for suggestion, advice. Bila kamu dah hafal benda ni, maka nanti bila nak isi tempat kosong untuk praktis adalah lagi senang. Okay? So, yang ni praktis ni adalah dalam quizzes. Teacher nak kamu tuliskan. Teacher nak kamu tuliskan nama kamu sendiri. Bukannya nama samaran. Jangan tulis gemuk, kecil, pendek. Tak nak. Teacher tak nak macam tu. Kalau Irfan, tuliskan Irfan. Irfan 3.3. Kalau Afiq 3.7. Tuliskan nama dengan kelas. Okey? Aktiviti kedua pula, work with a partner. Okay. Choose a situation from below. You have to choose one of the situation. Decide on the advice you would give your friend. Cadangkan nasihat ataupun berikan cadangan atau berikan nasihat kepada kawan. Bergantung kepada situasi yang telah kamu pilih. So situasinya adalah yang ni. Your friend wants to get fit and lose weight. Kawan kamu nak jadi fit dan kurangkan berat badan. So, apa nasihat yang kamu nak beri? Learn bungee jumping. Apa nasihat atau cadangan? Start a recycling campaign. Mulakan kempen kita semula di sekolah. So, mungkin kamu ada cadangan. Macam mana dia boleh mulakan? Change school. Bertukar sekolah sebab dah break up dengan boyfriend atau girlfriend. So, apa nasihat yang kamu nak bagi kat dia? Okay, so yang ni kamu kena berikan nasihat ataupun cadangan. Cara nak buat aktiviti ni adalah your friend wants to, let's say, I get fit and lose weight. I choose get fit and lose weight. So how do you need to write is like this. Lina is my friend's name. Lina. I want to get fit and lose weight. So saya nak bagi cadangan. I think you should. Sebab kalau nak bagi cadangan atau nasihat, kita kena guna should, ought to. So, gunakan dua modal verb ni. Okay. I think you should cut your calorie intake. You ought to exercise at least 3 times a week to get fit and lose weight. So yang ni tolong tuliskan di buku kamu. Tolong tuliskan macam ni di buku kamu. Tajuk yang ni, tajuk utama kita. Unit 8, time to spare, grammar, modals and semi-modals. Okay, yang dialog tu sangat pendek, boleh tulis di buku kamu. Okay, so before we end, let's look at the modals again. Modals yang telah kita belajar adalah must, can, able to, ought to, should, might adalah modals yang kita telah belajar hari ini. Function dia adalah ability, possibility, certainty, suggestion, advice. 5. Okey. Tolong ulang kaji, tolong rujuk muka surat 99 dan tolong hubungi teacher kalau ada sebarang masalah. Okay, itu sahaja untuk kelas hari ini. Thank you.